Hi there, welcome to the Verse Narrative. Today's short session is about word pronunciation. And the special word we want to look at today is what a lot of people often mispronounce. What is this word? Let's take a look. The word is spelled as Blattant. This is the word. It is an adjective. This word is an adjective. Okay. Now, this word means is an adjective that talks about the quality of something being obvious, something that is done intentionally without any attempt to conceal or to hide what you're doing. So, blatant, I already pronounced the word. This word, Blattant, is an adjective that means for something to be very clear, to be very visible, to be very obvious, clear to people. Right. So most of the time, a lot of people mispronounce this word as blatant. Blah. I say, yeah, as blatant. Oh, that young man is a blatant liar. If that is how you pronounce that word, I'm sorry, you're wrong. This word is not pronounced as blatant, rather, it is pronounced as blay. A. The sound here is not R, rather it is the diphthong A. So it's blatant, blatant, blatant. That young man, that young woman, that young girl is a blatant liar. This is a blatant attempt at murder. So clearly, simply, this word is pronounced as blatant and not as blatant. So that's basically for this class. I hope you've learned the right way to pronounce this word and how to use this word in sentence. If you found this video useful, do want to share it to as many people who may need this, particularly students or teachers of the English language. Remember to keep speaking right and keep learning right. See you next time. Bye for now.